Yung ginagawa po ni Congressman Kiko Barsagan, sabi ng iba, dinadaan niya sa clout yung pag-atake niya sa mga fellow government officials niya, and may mga netizens din na nagsasabi na parang it's not normal daw yung ginagawa niya. Sa palagay mo po ba, ma'am, it's about time na masama sa mga requirements ng mga tatakbong politiko or yung mga tatakbong lingkod bayan yung magkaroon sila ng evaluation para sa emotional and mental state?
I think yes, kasi hindi naman influencer or artista yung role na kinuha nila. Rather, you're a politician serving the society, the Philippines itself. So, though I get na medyo social media tayo, na medyo it's okay to post, pero sometimes kailangan natin ilugar or i-timing, and not all the times joke-joke lagi yung pinupost. Kasi based din sa nakikita kong post niya, is it really educating people? Is it really sometimes helping? Na para bang more on cloud focusing talaga yung pagiging performative daw niya, yung pagmimyaw niya and such. So, I think ilugar po natin kasi tayo yung sila yung mga politician eh. As I said, they're not influencers who's giving just content to people. They are there to represent the people. So, yes.